If you're looking for an area rug that looks stylish but it's also easy to clean and practical for everyday use, this washable rug might be a great option. Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this washable area rug for living room or bedroom that I got sent out for review. Right away, the design stands out. As you can see, right away, the design stands out. It has a soft, modern pattern that can easily fit into living rooms, bedrooms, entryways, or even a hallway. These rugs are designed to add a cozy feel while still being durable for high traffic areas. One of the first things I notice is the texture. It feels soft under your feet but still lightweight, which makes it comfortable for everyday use. I like that the pattern adds some visual detail without being overwhelming. So it works really well with different decor styles, modern farmhouse or minimalist. Another helpful feature is the backing. It has a non-slip underside that helps keep the rug in place or hard floors like tile, wood, or laminate. What makes this rug special convenient is that it's machine washable. So if it gets dirty from everyday use, pets or kids, you can simply wash it instead of replacing it. I can see these working really well in a high traffic areas like the living room entryway or even a hallway runner. Overall, if you want a decorative rug that's also practical and washable, this is a nice option that can easily upgrade a room. I just love it. Check it out.